Oh shit, I don't have much charge on my phones. I gotta charge my headphones, huh? Huh? Do I have everything? I think I do have everything. Yup, I do. I have everything. Could to sit you by my side. I'm gonna love you like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you. I can't say goodbye. Someday I won't take you for granted. Whoa. The traffic jam is real. I just realized I was not even focusing on that side of the road. What the hell, eh? All because the road is being constructed and they're using the side lane, I think. Something like that, yep. I don't have luxury to stop at every red light today, except for a few red lights. So I'll just be skipping every single one of them. Brother, I know you're just gonna go and stop that lane, then why are you just coming here, bro? Hello. What is this all about? Oh. you can go. I am sorry. Sita Pokhari, Ghantaghar Gadi, Rani Pokhari. Sorry, but should prioritize Rani Pokhari more. I don't know if that road has been like completed or not, so we'll have to just take this way. Ow! Ow! Okay, people, do your job. Lead me the way, because I don't know this way. Oh, never mind. It's actually way shorter than I thought. This literally is just one road. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, oh. Wow. Oh, should I just take one? Nah. You shouldn't do stuff like that. Steering is bad. Oh, brother, you don't love your bike or something? Why are you turning like that? From here to straight up there. What if there was a truck incoming instead of bikes? Broom. Like say, what if it was that bus and this stupid guy too? Stupid people. I'm not gonna say anything. Relax. Let it go. You can hold back longer. Let it go. I feel like my camera angle has been changed a bit. I don't know. Yeah. 10:30. The snow glows white on a mountain night. Not a footprint to be seen. Wait. Never mind. Don't wait. I wonder if that traffic from this morning is still there, because the last time when I was returning from my college, it was still there. Like, it was not much, but like there were still some signs, some traces of the traffic jam. I'm just hoping that there is none right now. Yeah, there is. Never mind, we'll just take the upper way. Baby, you're not good for me. You're not good for me. Oh baby, I want you. What a beautiful day. What a day it is. Ow! Okay, there you go. Oh, left one very unique. Oh, hello. Oh, cable. Hello. म बाटो बेच्छु म ठ्याक्क दरजका पान्तले निर आइपुगेँ ल ल त्यही आउँदैछु म ल seems like one of my friend is already there, and there is actually the three people right now studying here, and one is my friend from like my school level, like till grade 10, and seems like there is another guy who is actually also my friend, like from of my high school, like till grade 12. I don't want to disturb the tourists. Which is a crazy character. Huh? सिसा रहेछ उता साइडमा राख्नु पर्ला